Meanwhile, Vice President and Presidential Advisor for OFW Affairs, Jejomar Binay, stressed the government will get to the bottom of the sex for repatriation scandal. Again, here's Noel Perfecto.
Vice President Jejomar Binay assures that the government will not leave any stone unturned until it gets to the bottom of accusations lodged against labor officials in Middle Eastern countries like Amman, Jordan, Kuwait, and even Syria. The three labor authorities were accused of acting as sex pimps for helpless Filipino workers who can't afford to spend for their transport back home. Binay first expressed sadness over reports, but noted that this could have been settled if only the proper authorities were informed earlier about the problem.
Nakakalungkot yun. Dapat maaga pa sinumbong sa amin. Yung natagalan yata para magreklamo kasi marami ang alleged victims. So, ang pakiusap namin, total, nandito na naman ang gobyerno na nagpakita naman talagang inaaksyonan mga complaints. Sana isumbong agad sa amin para maaksyonan namin, para hindi pa lumalayo.
The Vice President likewise thanked Foreign Affairs Secretary Del Rosario for leading the investigation of said accusations and complaints, and noted that President Aquino has been informed of the situation. 6 local investigators are likewise in the Middle East to conduct its own probe and interviews with those affected by sexual harassment.
Nakakatuwa naman at si Secretary Del Rosario mismo is taking charge. Ang pagkakaalam ko, kahapon, nandun na yata yung 6 na DOL representatives. Nandun na sa Middle East. So, we're taking action on that.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.